Hey, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be looking at this 2022 Ford Bronco. It is a Sasquatch model, so keep that in mind. We put a 3-inch Readylift on it with a set of 37 1250 R17 Nitto Ridge Grapplers. These are our tips and tricks for you on installing the 3-inch Readylift lift. Starting from the front, you're going to be removing your upper control arms. On the passenger side, you'll have no issue removing the upper control arms. However, on the driver's side, you will need to disconnect the steering linkage. There's a couple things that you'll want. You'll want a channel lock to clamp down on the steering linkage. You'll also want to get like a paint marker to be able to paint the steering linkage so that you know exactly where to reinstall it. Because what you could do is you could disconnect and then the steering wheel could change, or maybe the rack and pinion moves a little bit, and then you don't reinstall in the same spot and it's just going to be an alignment nightmare. So that's our tip on the front upper control arms. Then on the front struts, you've got your bottom strut bolts that mount into the lower control arm. We recommend having like a pipe wrench and maybe even a bar to add on to the end of it. What you are going to need to do is take the mounting plate and move it. There's 2 bolts. You'll move them in to let them fit into the lower control arms. Then as we move to the back, this is just a tip for you. You can do the lift on the rear really without dropping anything or supporting anything. You'll disconnect the track bar. This allows you to have more droop in your axle. And then you disconnect one side, put the strut spacer on it, reinstall it. And then you disconnect the other side, put the strut spacer, reinstall it. This is what you would do on a truck lift with blocks in the rear. You can do the same thing with these struts on the Bronco. So if you want to know the exact setup, the exact tires, wheels, lift on this Bronco, go watch our walkthrough video. And if you want to know our tips for making this tire combo fit on this Bronco, go watch the Will It Fit video. Thanks for watching. If we could ever do anything for you, give us a call, 833-268-2577. Thanks, and we'll see you in the next one.